Good morning, students. Today we discuss error checking or error detection while transmitting data from transmitter to the receiver. While transmitting data over networks, some errors occur and data got corrupted. For example, if the sender is trying to send data in the binary form as 10101 and data received by the receiver is 10100, one bit have been changed, 1 is changed to 0. It means data received at the receiver end but it have an error. So this is an error detection. Errors can be of the following types. First is single bit error. If only one bit of the transmitted data got changed from 1 to 0 or from 0 to 1. And multiple bit errors mean more than two or more non-consecutive bits in data got changed. And in burst errors, if two or more consecutive bits in a data got changed while transmitting data. For example, single bit we are sending in a frame, there is only one bit anywhere through which is corrupted. We are sending data 01010. While transmitting, this one bit is 0 चेंज टू 1, जो रिसीव हुआ उसमें एक बिट चेंज हो गई, तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया, सिंगल बिट एरर है. मल्टीपल बिट एरर्स होती हैं फ्रेम रिसीव्ड विथ मोर देन वन बिट्स इन अ करप्टेड स्टेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we have sent 11011 but at the receiver end we received 10001. Here two bits have been changed, so this is a multi-bit error. In burst errors, frame contain more than consecutive bits got corrupted. Here we have sent data 01010 but at the receiver end we received data 00100. Here three bits have been changed, so this type of error is known as burst bit error. Now, error checking methods. First method we used is single dimensional parity checking method. In this method we add a parity bit in the data which we are transmitting. Here parity refers to an additional bit added to the actual data, and its working is, for example, consider two sample datas 10110 111 and 11001011. Now before transmitting at sender end, count the number of ones in the actual data unit. In 1011011, here the number of ones are 6, which is an even number, and in 11001011, number of ones are 5, which is an odd number. Now add extra bit to this data which we are transmitting, and this extra bit is known as parity bit. Now for odd number of ones, add one parity bit which is known as odd parity, and for even number of ones, add 0 which is known as even parity. For example, see here we have a even number of ones 1 2, count the number of ones 1 2 3 4 5 6, number of ones are 6 which is an even, so हमने parity bit इसमें लगा दी 0. तो parity bit क्या है, एक additional bit है जो हम data के साथ add करते हैं while transmitting that data. अगर हमारे इवन नंबर ऑफ वंस हैं डेटा के अंदर तो हम 0 पैरिटी बिट ऐड कर देंगे. अगर हमारे नंबर ऑफ वंस ट्रांसमिटिंग डेटा में ऑड हैं तो हम 1 ऐड कर देंगे ऐसा पैरिटी बिट. आफ्टर ट्रांसमिशन एट रिसीवर एंड अगेन डिटरमाइन द पैरिटी बिट बाय कैलकुलेटिंग द नंबर ऑफ वंस रिसीव्ड एंड कंपेयर इट विद द रिसीव्ड पार्टी. रिसीव्ड पैरिटी, क्या करेंगे जब हमने पैरिटी बिट इसमें लगा के डेटा को ट्रांसमिट कर दिया, रिसीवर एंड पे अगेन क्या होगा, फ्रॉम रिसीव डेटा हम एक्सक्लूड करेंगे, मीन्स रिमूव करेंगे पैरिटी बिट को। एंड प्रोसीजर क्या है, वी विल कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ वंस इन अ रिसीव डेटा, नंबर ऑफ वंस रिसीव्ड कैलकुलेट करेंगे और एंड कंपेयर इट विद द रिसीव्ड parity. If the received parity matches with the calculated parity, data is considered correct, otherwise data is considered as corrupted. Now for example, from the received data unit हमारे पास ये received हुआ था recalculating the parity bit from the data. ये है टोटल नंबर ऑफ वंस इन रिसीव डेटा यूनिट्स ऑफ 5, डेट इज ऑड, मीन्स दैट पैरिटी बिट शुड बी 1 होनी चाहिए। लेकिन हमें रिसीव्ड क्या हुई, रिसीव्ड पैरिटी बिट क्या है हमारे पास, रिसीव्ड पैरिटी बिट एंड कैलकुलेटेड पैरिटी बिट डू नॉट मैच, हैंस एरर, सो रिजेक्टेड। Similarly, for the other received data, that is 11001011, recalculating the bit from the data unit, total number of ones in received data are 5, that is odd, means that that parity bit should be 1. Received parity bit is 1, it means received parity bit and calculating parity bit match, hence no error, except this received data unit. मीन्स क्या होगा, रिसीवर एंड पे हम अगेन पैरिटी बिट को चेक करेंगे बाय काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ वंस इन द ट्रांसमिटिंग डेटा। अब इसमें हमारे पास क्या है, 10100011 है, लास्ट वाला तो हमारा पैरिटी बिट है और ऑड नंबर ऑफ वंस हो रहे हैं, इट मीन्स हमारा डेटा करप्ट हो गया है। Now advantages of single dimensional parity checking, फर्स्ट है सिंपल मैकेनिज्म है, easy to implement है। सेकेंड एडवांटेज है inexpensive टेक्निक फॉर डिटेक्टिंग errors. Now drawbacks of single dimensional parity checking, first it detect only a single bit error. If two bits get interchanged while transmitting data, cannot detect the error. Thank you.